When Ferrari first revealed the Purosangue, it shocked the world. A four-door, four-seat Ferrari that looked like an SUV but drove like a supercar. But what happens when a company known for pushing performance to the extreme decides that even a Ferrari isn't extreme enough? That's where Novitec steps in, and the result is something truly wild. This is the Ferrari Purosangue Esteso by Novitec, and it takes everything you thought you knew about performance SUVs and turns it up to another level. Let's start with the heart of the machine, because this is where the magic begins. Under the hood sits a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine. Yes, a proper screaming Ferrari V12, producing around 715 horsepower in its standard form. But Novitec doesn't leave it untouched. With a high-performance exhaust system and intake upgrades, power climbs to around 745 horsepower, giving it even more urgency and aggression. And unlike turbocharged rivals, this engine delivers its power in a pure, linear surge. It revs all the way past 8,000 revolutions per minute, producing a soundtrack that no SUV, or even most supercars, can match. Now let's talk performance numbers, because they're seriously impressive for something this size. The Purosangue already does 0 to 100 km per hour in about 3.3 to 3.4 seconds, and the Novitec version keeps that level of performance, if not sharpening it slightly thanks to reduced weight and improved airflow. From 0 to 200 km per hour, you're looking at around 11 seconds, and top speed comfortably exceeds 310 km per hour. That's hypercar territory in a four-door family machine. But here's the thing, the Estiso isn't just about power. It's about presence. The word Estiso literally means extended, and Novitec takes that seriously by adding a widebody kit that increases the car's width by about 6 centimeters. That might not sound like much on paper, but visually, it completely transforms the car. The stance becomes more aggressive, more planted, and undeniably more exotic. The flared wheel arches, deeper side skirts, redesigned front splitter, and massive rear diffuser all work together to create a look that feels closer to a race car than a luxury SUV. And then you notice the details. Exposed carbon fiber elements, sculpted air intakes, and even an optional gold-plated Inconel exhaust system that not only looks insane but enhances both performance and sound. Speaking of stance, the wheels are a huge part of the transformation. Novitec fits massive 22-inch wheels at the front and 23-inch wheels at the rear, developed with Vossen, giving the car a wider track and improved grip. Combine that with lowering springs that drop the ride height by around 25 millimeters, and you get a machine that sits low, wide, and ready to attack corners. Handling is where this car really surprises people. Despite its size, the Purosangue features advanced technology like all-wheel drive, four-wheel steering, and an active suspension system that constantly adjusts to keep the car flat and stable through corners. With Novitec's tuning, the car feels even sharper, more responsive, and more connected to the road. Dimension-wise, this is still a large machine. It stretches to around 5 meters in length, about 2 meters in width, and sits relatively low for an SUV at around 1.6 meters tall. But thanks to its proportions and design, it doesn't feel bulky, it feels muscular. Step inside, and you enter a completely different world. This isn't your typical SUV interior. Ferrari has designed the cabin to feel like a true sports car, with a driver-focused layout and minimal distractions. There's no traditional center touchscreen. Instead, both driver and passenger get their own displays. You're surrounded by premium materials like leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber, and Novitec takes customization even further, allowing buyers to tailor almost every detail to their taste. The seating layout is a true four-seater, with individual bucket seats in both the front and rear. And those rear-hinged suicide doors don't just look cool, they make getting in and out surprisingly easy. Now let's be honest about practicality. Yes, this is Ferrari's most practical car ever. But that doesn't mean it's practical in the traditional sense. Boot space is limited, enough for a few bags or a weekend trip, but nothing close to a typical SUV. But let's face it, if you're buying this car, practicality isn't your priority. And then there's the price. The standard Purosangue already starts at over $400,000, but with the Novitec Estiso package, you're looking at around $850,000 to well over $1 million depending on customization. That's not just expensive, it's ultra-exclusive. But that's exactly the point. What makes the Ferrari Purosangue Esteso by Novitec so special is that it doesn't try to fit into any category. It's not a traditional SUV. It's not a typical Ferrari. And it's definitely not just a tuned car. It's a statement. A statement that says performance doesn't have to come in a two-door package. A statement that says practicality and extreme engineering can exist together. And most importantly, a statement that even when Ferrari builds something radical, there's always someone willing to take it even further. This isn't just a fast SUV. This is a Ferrari, reimagined, widened, and turned into something even more outrageous. And honestly, there's nothing else like it on the road.